Hey, amazing teachers! Ever seen a classroom wall plastered with 15 rules in Comic Sans and thought, wow, the kids will totally read and internalize every single one of those? Yeah, me neither. Here's the truth. Your students aren't reading a rule scroll longer than The Lord of the Rings. So cut the noise. Pick two expectations and write them on the board. That's it. My go tos: listen with respect and use the target language. Simple, clear, and no one has to take notes just to follow directions. Here's how to make it stick. Start class by pointing to the two rules and modeling them. For example, if one expectation is one person talks at a time, act out with that not doing it by interrupting yourself mid sentence. Your students will laugh and immediately get it. Then show the right way. Boom. Built in mini lesson without a lecture. And the beauty of only having two: when students forget, and they will, you don't need a dissertation. Just a quick, hey, check rule number one, and you're back on track. The payoff is huge. Instead of wasting energy enforcing 12 different things, you've got a laser focus on the two that actually matter. Less to remember for you, less to ignore for them, and more energy for actually teaching. Want more ridiculously simple teacher hacks that work like this? Grab the CI Survival Kit, now with Ask a Story slides in French, German, and Spanish at mm.us/kit. Think of it as a classroom survival gear, minus the granola bars and broken dry erase markers.